if you lost your locking wheel nut and you want to break it, you want to remove it, there's so many different ways to do it. Every locking wheel nut is different, but this shape is mostly in this is Honda now, but in Mercedes and lots of cars this design will come. And the hard part is if you put something outside it, there is a swingy part that will swing. It will make it more difficult and you're gonna damage the wheel. So the safest way is there is a tool for this type, and I have the tool here. So this tool, what it does here, when you smash this with the hammer, it will become tooth and it will become locking wheel nut. You can use it once. So with the one, if you make a space, then you can open all of them, and the tools come with everything. Now this is old, obviously it has one more bars like that, and it has some more extra stuff as well inside, but this is what left for me. I have broken the other one, so this is old tool, but new one if you buy it will be much nicer. And then you can change this tool here, so when you get damaged one, you throw away one, you take another one. And to replace it is not hard. You just take this out, yeah. When you take out like that, you take this ring out, pull this out, put new one. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. You just need some hammer and that will do the job. Well, the first one I opened already. I did not record that one, so anyway I will record this one. This is the rear one. When you got the tool set up in one, the rest will be easy. Successful. And just to show you the box, this is the tool.